Okay, if you've ever been in a position where you're just really busy, I'm really busy, but you got to cook dinner. You probably have to cook dinner. What are you going to do? You got to get it done quickly. I've been so busy this week. I'm going to be busy all weekend with a baseball tournament for my grandson. I'm working 2 full-time jobs. I am a full-time content creator and a corporate CFO. So here's what I'm going to do tonight. I'm going to do my rack of ribs. Rack of ribs. You're doing that quick? Yes. And you're going to see how. Catch me back in the kitchen. Okay, we're back in my kitchen. I've still got lots of things to do tonight. I don't have time to be wasting a lot of time in the kitchen. So I'm going to try something I've never actually tried before. Here's our ribs. Am I going to season them right now? No. I'm going to try something that I've done on a steak, but I've never done it on ribs. I'm going to sous vide them really fast in the dishwasher. I'm going to put it on a 1-hour cycle. Now, your dishwasher might not have a 1-hour cycle. In that case, just use the rinse cycle. I'm going to start my hot water. Give the dishwasher a little bit of a head start with the water getting heated. Press start. I've got about the next hour to still get more stuff done. This is how busy people get stuff done. Okay, we're just about done with the dishwasher. It's in the heat cycle, drying right now, I guess. But what's, the ribs without some kind of side dish. So I've got some beans here. These are really strange. Bush's apple pie baked beans. Never seen these before, never heard of them. My son found them on the shelf and his wife gave them to me to try. Apparently she was not thrilled with his selection. So we're going to find out if these things are any good. It wouldn't be my kitchen unless I was doctoring it up a little bit. Baked beans can always use a little bit more brown sugar. They're going to go in the microwave. Now for the ribs. Cut the package open. Now, I don't know if there's going to be enough time or not. I'm just flying by the seat of my pants here. Let's get this dried off. Now, obviously, they're not done. We still have to brown them, and we still need to season them. So let me wash my hands off and we'll get the seasoning. I'm not positive that they're done. If this is a steak, it would be done. But if there's a steak, I wouldn't mind if it was medium rare. Now, if you were doing this at home, I might put it on a little bit longer cycle. Got salt and pepper blend here. Wash up again. Get some barbecue sauce. Using a little jack sauce tonight. Okay, gonna take this out to the back, fire it up. I still don't know how these have turned out. This could be a piece of genius, or it could just be a total fiasco. We'll know in a moment. Let's cut one open and see what we've got. And it's what I was afraid of. It's a total fiasco. It's still pretty raw inside. So you know what you do then? Take your wife out to dinner. If you're enjoying the video, hit the like button down below. Maybe leave me a comment or two. Let me know where you're commenting from. I always like to see that. If you're on a mobile phone, hit that hot button for me. It really helps out the channel. And please subscribe. I'm looking for all the subscribers I can get. That said, I'll catch y'all the next time. And hopefully next time will be more successful.